So next question, very important. A plot of volume of the gas versus temperature in kelvins. A plot of volume versus temperature is shown below, which is correct for plot. So volume versus temperature. Volume versus temperature at constant pressure and number of moles. So it is Charles law. V is directly proportional to temperature. When V increases, temperature is also in kelvins increases at constant different constant pressures. So we know that pressure is inversely proportional to volume, or volume is inversely proportional to pressure. Volume, pressure inversely proportional. So here volume bottom to top increases. So increases. So here volume, higher volume means volume is inversely proportional to pressure. Higher volume means low pressure. Here low volume means high pressure. Here low volume, here higher volume. Low volume, higher pressure, high volume, low pressure. So according to this, P1 value is very less because volume is more. Next to P2, next to P3. So P1 is less than P2 is less than P3. So answer A. Very easy. Volume is inversely proportional to pressure. That's why P1 value less, P3 value is more. Next, the ratio of rates of diffusion of oxygen and unknown gas is 1:4. The unknown gas is the ratio of diffusion of oxygen and unknown gas. So inversely proportional to molecular weight of X by molecular weight of O2. RO2 means, and RO to Rx ratio is unknown gas 1/4. That is equal to square root of mx by MO2 means 32. Squaring on both sides, 1/16 is equal to mx by 32. That implies mx is equal to 32/16. That means 2. Molecular weight 2. Which one has molecular weight 2? So answer C. SO2 molecular weight 64. Nitrogen N2 molecular weight 28. Here molecular weight 2. O2 molecular weight 32. So answer C. So last one here. Which gas has density of 1.24 gram per liter? So based on gases, which one has density 1.24 gram per liter at 0 degrees centigrade and atmospheric pressure? So we know that PV is equal to nRT. No need to. So D is equal to, we know that. So D is equal to Pm by RT. So first, density of, if you find density of fluorine density is equal to pressure 1. Next, molecular weight of fluorine is 9. Molecular weight of fluorine is 19 by, so pressure 1, molecular weight of fluorine is 19 by R value 0.0821 into temperature 273. So that means 19 by 22.4. This value is 0 point something. So value 0 point, but we want 1.24. So if you check option CO, the density, that means density of CO, Pm by RT, 1 into molecular weight of CO, 12 plus 16, 28 by 0.0821 into temperature 273. So 28 by 22.4. So here the value is 1.25 gram per liter. So answer is CO. So 1.24, nearer value 1.25. So remaining also you check. Okay, not this. Okay, see the next question. A balloon filled with an air sample occupies 3 liters volume at 35 degrees centigrade. So volume is given and temperature is given. On lowering the temperature, when temperature decreases, lowering temperature to T, the volume decreases to 2.5 liters. So the temperature T is volume temperature relation. So Charles law. So V is directly proportional to T. That means V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. V1 by T1 is equal to K. V by T is equal to K. That means V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. So first volume 3 liters 35 degrees centigrade. So that means 3 by 35 degrees centigrade means 273 plus 273 plus 35. How much? 308. So 308 equal to V2. The volume decreases to 2.5. 2.5 by T2. So we find out. So that implies T2 is equal to 2.5 into 308 by 3. So 3 here 1 0 2 times, that is 256.6. It is kelvins, but the answer is in degree centigrade. That means 256 minus 273. So 256.6, 256 minus 273. So that is equal to nearer value minus 0.4 or degree centigrade. So nearer value B minus 16 degrees centigrade. So next question. The rates of diffusion of SO2, CO2, PCl3 and SO3. Low molecular weight gases have high rate of diffusion. So we know that if molecular weight is less, diffusion is more. If molecular weight is more, slowly diffuses. So low molecular weight gases have high rate of diffusion. So which one has low molecular weight? So molecular weight of SO2. So sulfur 32 plus 16 into 32 is 64. So next molecular weight of CO2. CO2 means carbon 12 plus 32, 44. Next PCl3, MPCl3. So phosphorus 31, chlorine each 35.5. So total nearly 137. So next SO3, sulfur 32 plus 48, 3 into 16 48, so 80. So which one has higher molecular weight? Higher molecular weight is PCl3. So molecular weight of PCl3 is greater than, so PCl3 is greater than, next SO3, next one SO2, finally CO2. So PCl3, SO3, SO2, CO2. So answer is B. Very easy. Molecular weight, based on molecular weight. Okay, not this one.
Dear students, 14th one answer not B, because that is the order of molecular weights. Molecular weight is inversely proportional to diffusion. So answer D is correct. Low molecular weight gases diffuses fast.
Okay, if you observe the next question, identify the correct observation with respect to the given graphs. Here 2 graphs are given, some 4 options. So we know that pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So that means P is proportional to 1 by V. When you plot between P and 1 by V, P is proportional to 1 by V. 1 by V increases, P increases. So directly proportional. V is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure. It is Chandler's law, it is Boyle's law. So according to, we know that Gay-Lussac's law, pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So Gay-Lussac's law, pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So P, so high pressure, high temperature. If the pressure is high, temperature is high. So according to this one, so T2 is greater than T1. So T2 is higher one, T1 is lower one. T2 is greater than T1 in first graph. This is first graph. So for second graph, it is Boyle's law. It is Boyle's law. P is inversely proportional to volume. P increases, 1 by V increases. P increases, V decreases, but here 1 by V. So next one, V is directly proportional to temperature. It is Charles' law. V is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure. But volume and pressure inversely proportional. So volume higher means pressure lower. So P2 is less than P1. So T2 is greater than, P2 is less than P1. So option P2 value less, P1 is more, T2 is greater than T1. So answer B. Very easy. Pressure is directly proportional to temperature, so T2 is greater than T1. Volume is inversely proportional to pressure, so high volume means low pressure. So P2 value less, P1 more. So not this. So next, what is the ratio of kinetic energy of 7 grams of nitrogen and 4 grams of oxygen at temperature T? Very easy. Kinetic energy formula. 3 by 2 nRT. So 4 grams of, first 7 grams of nitrogen, 4 grams of oxygen. So Ke of N2 nitrogen by Ke of oxygen is equal to R constant, T constant, 3 by 2 constant. So number of moles of N2 by number of moles of O2. R, T are constant and they are cancelled with each other. So number of moles of N2, that means weight of nitrogen by gram molecular weight of nitrogen. 7 by nitrogen gram molecular weight, 28. Next, number of moles of O2 means weight of O2 by gram molecular weight of O2. Weight of O2 4 grams. Gram molecular weight of O2. O2 means each oxygen 16, 2 oxygens 32. So that is equal to 7 by 28 into 32 by 4. So 4 in 32 8 times, 7 in 28 4 times, 4 in 8 2 times. So that is equal to 2. So answer 2 is to 1. So option B. Very easy. So same the kinetic energy in joules. In joules of 1 mole of N2 at 27 degrees centigrade. Formula: kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 nRT. So that is equal to 3 by 2 into N value. N means 1 mole. So N value 1. R value, he is asked in joules. Joule means 8.314 already given. So into temperature 27 degrees centigrade means 27 means 27 plus 273, 300 kelvins. So 2 in 300, 150 times. So 150 into 3, so 450 into 8.314. 3741 joules. If it is converted into kilojoules, 3.741 kilojoules. Here options are not given, so answer is 3.741 kilojoules. If the answer is in joules, 3741. If the answer is in kilojoules, 3.741. Because 1000 joules is equal to 1 kilojoule. Because 1000 joules means 1 kilojoule. Okay, not this. Okay, see the next question. The van der Waals equation for 0.5 moles of the gases. We know that van der Waals equation for n moles, P plus an square by d square into V minus nb is equal to nRT. But he asked in 0.5 moles. 0.5 moles means 1 by 2, half mole. So that means P plus a into n square, 1 by 2 whole square by v square into v minus nb. Nb means half, n equal to half. v by 2 is equal to half RT. So 0.5 means half. So P plus a into by 4, 1 by 4, 4v square into 2v minus b by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 RT. So 2 to cancel. So then p plus a by 4v square into 2v minus b is equal to RT. So answer B. So conversion. So next one, the last question. Kinetic energy in kilojoules of 280 grams of N2. 280 grams of N2 means number of moles of N2 is equal to weight by gram molecular weight of N2, 28. So that means 10 moles. So Ke is equal to 3 by 2 nRT. So 3 by 2 into n value 10. R value, joules means 8.314. Temperature 27 degrees centigrade means 300 kelvins. 27 plus 273, 300 kelvins temperature. So 2 in 10, 5 times. 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 3, 45. 45 into 8.314. 45 into 8.314 into 100. 1.45 into 831.4. So the value is 37400 nearly joules. That means 37.4 kilojoules. So you calculate this one, so answer 37.4 kilojoules. Okay.